What's going on, guys? It's Freaky with Technical Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. So I'm just going to make sure that the live stream is all set and ready to go. I think we're all set. First of all, I want to thank you guys again for 100,000 subscribers. We just broke 100,000, 101,000. So I really do appreciate that. All the links are down below if you guys are not connected to me or our free networking group, Technical Solutions. I wanted to make a very quick video. I'm going to get straight to the point. I plugged the link down below. It's the first link in the description for all those that want to sign up for Robinhood crypto. So I'm going to show you my screen. I'm not too sure if I'm the first one talking about this specific topic. I just wanted you guys to be exposed to, what Robinhood is going to be introducing. I think they now offer three forms of investing. So they offered the traditional investing in the stock market. Now they introduced like 1 month ago or 2 months ago the option for investing in options, and now they're introducing cryptocurrency. So I'm going to share what it is that I have access to, how it is that you can sign up for early February, which is when they're actually going to release this specific feature. So I'm going to make my screen a little bit smaller. I'm going to move on over here. Boom, boom, boom. And let's see. There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. So I hope that you guys have access to it. I think you guys can see everything. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller just so we could focus more on the important part, and that's not me, right? So I'm just going to show you guys my screen. So again, it's the first link down below, which is where you'll have access to this specific website. And it says, get early access, don't sleep. So it says investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies 24/7 commission free. So right away you think about the largest form of investing out there. What platform is that? It's most likely GDAX or Coinbase. And what is going to happen, to them? And that is, the big question. Robinhood, with how it allowed people with its simplicity and no commissions to invest in the stock market, definitely did cause or disrupt the market when it comes down to the general, traditional fidelity to the Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and E-Trade, right? There's huge members, multi-billion-dollar company now, Robinhood, right? Now, let's go ahead and scroll a little bit down. This is what it says. So everything in one place. Cryptocurrency, stocks, ETFs, and options are now available side by side. All easily accessible in one app. Managing your investments just got even easier. So that's pretty sweet. It looks like they're going for more of like do you see kind of like the design that they're going for, more kind of like I don't want to say modern, but more futuristic, kind of like when it comes down to crypto investing. So that makes sense. Now let's go ahead and go a little bit further down. So instant access to funds. Get instant access to funds when you deposit or sell stocks to buy cryptocurrencies. On Robinhood, you'll never miss out on an investment opportunity again. And that's something so cool. So what it's pretty much saying is that, let's say that you're investing in some stock and then you sell that position, because you have it all inclusive in one account. You don't have to transfer it from, your Robinhood account or from your bank account to a wallet and then buy Bitcoin. You could simply, be able to. So let's say like that ticker symbol, that stock, GLBS, if I'm not mistaken, it directly gets correlated to Bitcoin. Let's say you want to sell all those positions and you actually want to invest in Bitcoin or ETH or LTC, right? Whatever the case may be, then you're able to do that all in one app without having to transfer anything, because your funds are available all within that same brokerage. So that's pretty amazing. Secure and trusted. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are now available on our trusted, secure investment platform. With that being said, I'm going to give you guys my own experience. I personally don't use Robinhood anymore. Based on my understanding, a lot of our traders that do still use Robinhood still experience some technical issues. They don't have the best support team, and that's going to be the only uncertainty that I have when it comes down to Robinhood. Is they're now offering options, which is going to bring a pool of investors into Robinhood, and now they're bringing all the people, all the hype from cryptocurrency into Robinhood as well. Based on my experience when I was using Robinhood, which is a little bit less than a year ago, their support team couldn't even handle the demand that was already caused by just the people that were investing solely in the stock market, not all the hype and not all the craze that comes down to investing in cryptocurrency. So the big uncertainty that I have with this is I hope that they have a larger support team. I hope that they're more accessible to help you when their server is down, because I know when it comes down to trading, a lot of people sometimes can't fully execute on their positions. So that's the only thing that I'm somewhat iffy about. I really hope that they can bring they're trusted, secure investing platform, and that their at least support team and customer support is still there, if not much larger, to support all the newcomers that are going to be coming when it comes down to investing in cryptocurrency. And then it tells you. So when I signed up, I was under the 10,000 people mark. So now there's 15,899 people. All you guys have to do is put in your email, and then it will go up from there. It looks like it's going up pretty quickly. I'm sure that they're promoting it on all different platforms. It's going up very quickly. It wasn't going up this quickly when I first joined. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It just gives you a very simple breakdown, kind of like they did when it comes down to being able to invest in options. I gave you a very simple breakdown. It told you kind of like when it's going to be available and stuff like that. And I think it said, yeah, trading coming in February. So that's pretty soon, right? That's in a couple weeks, at least early February is. So I think that this can be huge. Again, the link is provided for you down below if you guys would like to sign up for Robinhood. I'm not affiliated with Robinhood in any way. I'm not yet getting paid to talk about this. I want to be completely transparent with you guys. I just like providing my followers and my viewers kind of the most what's it called, the newest kind of topics out there when it comes down to investing in the stock market, regardless if you guys think that Robinhood is a great platform or not. I know a lot of advanced traders or more experienced traders don't use Robinhood because it's more simplistic. But again, if we can kind of avoid the fees that it comes down to when it comes down to investing in Coinbase or GDAX and all those huge fees, I've personally used those wallets, and I know that they take huge chunks of whatever it is, which is what you sell. They take percentages, right? Now, just imagine not having to pay that. That's huge. That can truly innovate this entire market. And the only thing is now the crypto kind of hype is kind of dying out. So is this the best time for Robinhood to be introducing this? Who knows? But I think this will really make it very accessible for people that even want to invest $10, $50, $100 into cryptocurrency. They no longer have to worry about commissions. You can simply buy and sell and not have to worry about commissions. That's going to be the biggest thing. In my honest opinion, I hope that they have a larger customer support team, because I know their server, that was one of their biggest issues. With execution was a little delayed. Their support team wasn't necessarily there. I would have to, with the 78,000 people that we have within our group, I would have to plug their customer support number, because it's so difficult to find Robinhood's number to reach out to them, because our email support is like 24 to 48 hours. So I didn't find that to be very effective. Let's go ahead and I'm going to move myself a little bit over to this side, and I'm going to put the people that are joining me live right over here. So let's see if I can do that. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. There we go. I still can't. Come on. There we go. All right, so you guys are hilarious. So that's funny. Christopher Wilson is saying, I'm convinced that Sun Devil's hat is the key to Ricky's success. So the flash, Diaz is tanking again. So yes, I've talked about Diaz before. And intraday, we saw a really good play. So for those that are part of the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library, we called out during our live Q&A, we called out the bounce at $19. It shot up to $20 right away, and that was great. We tried to catch the other bounce at $19. It didn't play out according to plan the second time, but it doesn't always have to. That's the biggest thing. I think because people that invest in cryptocurrency, with all due respect, are such new investors, that this is really going to be able to save them a lot of money. And I hope that they can focus less now on trying to maximize their overall profits and truly understand what they're investing in, because it's going to be so much more accessible. It's going to, I think, bring on a lot more people, and I hope that that can truly get people in the right direction, and I hope that they can include some form of foundation, or they can go through some form of filter of understanding of what it is that they're investing in, because it is going to make it more accessible. I think people are just going to start dumping in more money, which I hope none of you guys do. Again, you should never invest based on other people's opinion. You should never invest based or on anything you don't understand, and you should always have a plan when investing. If you guys aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, we'd love to be a part of your success. You definitely don't have to. There's a bunch of channels out there. But if you like the way that I explain things, and if you have ever covered any of my videos, not only do I invest in the stock market and real estate and buying and reselling of cars, but I'm partnered with a series of businesses, and I would love to be a part of your success any way that I can. So simply, I have a free group. We have over 78,000 members within that networking platform, and we have a bunch of huge things that are going to be coming up this year. And if you guys can join me live, I think I'm going to be uploading a video around 5 p.m. No, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it's going to be about just some updates with our headquarters that we're going to be establishing in Gilbert and stuff like that, Gilbert, Arizona. So not only did we hit 100,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone, but now I'm going to want to be able to meet and work with you on a personal level. So taking everything that we do online and now putting it into a in-person branch, and me being able to work with you, network, surround yourself with like-minded individuals, and that's going to be the coolest thing. So how about their wallet and their security? So Robinhood, when it comes down to security, in that perspective, they are pretty secure. Now, there's a bunch of obviously the people that invested in cryptocurrency and stuff like that, there was much more attention to those specific wallets and stuff like that. So I'd like to see how they work around that. Again, I'm just reading everything that is that you guys saw that I just read to you with what's provided through Robinhood. So I'm in like a preferred email list, and they send me updates and stuff like that. So I would like to see how this ends up playing out, and if we're going to be one of their beta testers and stuff like that, that's going to be really cool. So just wanted to introduce you guys to that. All the links are provided for you down below. The first link is so you guys can gain access to the crypto Robinhood application and sign up for their early release on February. And then as well as if you guys would like to work with my team, the free link is down below. And then if you would like to work with me on a daily basis with my private group, it's going to be the second link there. And if you want to learn how to buy and resell cars, it's going to be the third link in the description. Altogether, guys, I hope that you guys have an amazing Thursday. I'm going to be catching my flight back to Arizona within the next couple of hours. I have a meeting in about 1 hour, so I'm pretty pumped on that. So thank you guys again so much for your time. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives in your success, and I truly hope that you guys end the year on a green note. Take it easy, trade smart, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy.